In 2027, there will be regular people making $500,000 a year from skills that barely exist today. I'm not talking about executives at AI companies. I'm not talking about coders with 10 years of experience. I'm talking about regular people who position themselves at the center of the biggest economic shift in human history. And right now, almost nobody is learning these skills. The people who do will have their pick of opportunities. The people who don't will be competing for scraps. In this video, I'm gonna break down the 3 specific AI skills that will be worth $500,000 a year by 2027, what they are, why they pay so much, and exactly how to start learning them today. Stick around to the end because I'm gonna show you the one skill that's the easiest to learn and pays the most. Most people will sleep on it. Don't be one of them. Let's get into it. Now, if we haven't met, my name is Jonathan Montoya. A few years ago, I quit my $80,000 a year corporate job to figure out how to make money online. Today, I run multiple AI businesses. I've helped over 60,000 students build their own online businesses. And I won the Diamond Award from Go High Level for building a software business to over 1,400 paying members. So I'm not theorizing here. This is what I see playing out across thousands of businesses every single day. The people who learn these 3 skills are about to make life-changing money. The people who don't are about to get left behind. Let's get into the first one. Skill number 1, AI agent building. Let me explain what this means because most people have never heard this term. Right now, when you use ChatGPT, you type a question and get an answer. That's a chatbot. You're using a tool. AI agents are completely different. An AI agent is an autonomous system that you set up once and it runs by itself. It thinks, it makes decisions, it takes actions, it completes tasks. For example, you can build an AI agent that researches your competitors every morning, writes up a daily report, and emails it to you before you wake up. You can build an AI agent that responds to every new lead instantly, qualifies them, and books them on your calendar. You can build an AI agent that creates 30 days of social media content, posted across every platform, and tracks the engagement. These aren't theoretical. These are happening right now. Companies are building them every day. And here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be a programmer. There are tools like Manus, NateN, Make.com, and Claude Cowork that let you build AI agents without writing a single line of code. You describe what you want in plain English. The platform builds the agent for you. So why will this skill be worth $500,000? Because one person who can build agents can replace 10 to 20 employees. Not because they work harder, because the agents work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without complaining. A skilled agent builder can walk into any business and immediately save them hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. That kind of value commands premium pricing. The people who learn this now will be the ones companies fight over in 2027. Skill number 2, AI content production at scale. This is the skill that's quietly making people rich right now. But let me be clear, I'm not talking about asking ChatGPT to write you a blog post. That's not a skill. That's just typing. AI content production at scale means building entire systems that create content automatically. Hundreds of pieces of content per month. Optimized for every platform in your voice without you doing the work. Here's what this looks like in practice. You build a system that takes one idea and turns it into a YouTube video, 10 short form videos, 20 social media posts, a blog article, an email newsletter, a podcast episode, all from that one idea, all in your voice and style, all ready to publish. The people who can do this are doing the work of an entire content team by themselves. While most creators struggle to post once a day, these people are posting 50 times a day across every platform. Volume wins online, and AI is the only way to get volume without burning out. Why will this skill be worth $500,000? 2 reasons. First, businesses are desperate for this kind of system. Every business knows they need to be creating content. Most of them have no idea how. If you can come in and build this system for them, you can charge $5,000 to $10,000 a month to manage their content. 5 clients, and you're at $500,000 a year. Second, you can build your own brand in a fraction of the time. If you build the system for yourself, you can grow an audience faster than any human creator. That audience becomes your most valuable asset. You can monetize it through products, services, sponsorships, or affiliate offers. Either way, this skill prints money, and the tools to do it are already here. Claude, HeyGen, Notebooklum, Nano Banana, Manus, all free or affordable. The bottleneck isn't the tools. The bottleneck is knowing how to use them. And that's exactly the gap that pays $500,000. Skill number 3, this is the one I teased at the beginning, the easiest to learn, the most valuable, and the one almost nobody is paying attention to. It's called AI workflow design. Here's what it is. Most businesses today use 10, 15, even 20 different software tools, a CRM, an email marketing tool, a booking system, a content tool, a project management tool, and so on. These tools don't talk to each other. So businesses have employees spending hours every day manually copying information from one tool to another. It's a complete disaster. AI workflow design solves this. You connect all of these tools together using AI as the brain. When something happens in one tool, the AI automatically takes action in another tool. Customer fills out a form, the AI captures it, adds them to the CRM, sends them a personalized email, books them on the calendar, and sends a Slack notification to the sales team, all without anyone touching anything. That used to take 5 different employees to coordinate. Now it takes one workflow that you build in an afternoon. Why will this skill be worth $500,000? Because every business needs this, and almost no one knows how to do it. When you walk into a business and tell them you can save them 20 hours a week of manual work, they will pay you anything you ask. I've seen people charge $10,000 to build a single workflow. I've seen people charge $5,000 a month to manage workflows for clients. I've seen people build entire agencies around just this one skill. And here's the best part. The tools to do this are mostly free. Make.com, Zapier, Nate, Claude. All of them have free tiers that get you started. You can learn the basics in a weekend. You can build your first paying workflow in a week. This is the easiest path to making real money with AI in 2027, and it's the most overlooked. Most people are obsessed with chatbots and AI generators. The smart money is in workflow design because that's where the businesses are spending. Now let's talk about how to actually learn these skills, because if you don't take action, none of this matters. For AI agent building, start with one of these tools, Manus, Nate, or Claude Cowork. Pick one. Build one simple agent, maybe an agent that researches a topic and writes a report. Once you have one agent working, build a second one, then connect them. That's how you build the skill. For AI content production, start with your own brand. Pick one platform. Use Claude to write 30 days of content for it. Use HeyGen to create video versions. Use Nano Banana to create images. Post every day for 30 days. You'll have a system that works in 30 days. For AI workflow design, sign up for Make.com or Zapier. Watch their tutorial videos. Build a simple workflow that connects 2 tools. Then build one that connects 3 tools. Then 4. The skill compounds quickly. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The reason these skills will be worth $500,000 isn't because they're hard, it's because almost nobody is learning them. Right now in 2026, you're competing with maybe 1% of the population. By 2027, that number will explode. The window to position yourself as an expert is happening right now. If you wait until everyone is doing it, the rates will collapse. If you start now, you'll be the expert. When companies are desperately searching, that's how this works. In every economic shift, the early adopters get rich. Everyone else plays catch up. Look, I want to be straight with you. These 3 skills will make you a lot of money if you put in the work, but there's still one missing piece: knowing what to build. You can be the best AI agent builder in the world. You can be the best content production expert. You can be the best workflow designer. But if you don't know what people will actually pay for, you're going to spin your wheel. I've watched this happen to hundreds of people. They learn the skills. They have all the tools. Then they sit there for months asking the same question: what should I build? That's the bottleneck. That's why I built Maker AI. Maker AI is a 4-step system that solves this exact problem. Step 1, it helps you find a profitable software idea based on real market demand, not a guess, not a hunch, real demand. Step 2, it validates the idea before you waste time building it, so you only invest energy in things people actually want. Step 3, it gives you a complete build guide, exactly what to build, how to build it, what features to include. Step 4, it generates a 30-day marketing plan so you can actually sell what you build. Idea, validation, build guide, launch plan. That's the complete loop. If you have these AI skills but don't know what to build, Maker AI is the answer. Comment Maker below or click the link in the description and I'll send you everything you need to get started. Because in 2027, the people making $500,000 a year won't just be the ones who learned the skills. They'll be the ones who knew exactly what to build. Take action. Pick one of these 3 skills. Start learning today, and let me help you figure out what to build with them. I'll see you in the next one.